Understanding your insurance policy. Have you ever taken a closer look at your insurance policy document? Do you understand the contents of your policy document? Do you understand what exactly is covered and what is not? Have you noticed how much money you're paying for every coverage? An insurance policy specifies who is covered. So, for instance, if you're the owner of a car that is covered, then your name appears on the policy. On another policy, if there are additional drivers or property holders or beneficiaries, then their names would appear on the policy. An insurance policy specifies what is covered and the details of the covered item. So, if it is a car policy, then the car details like make, model and year of the car appears on the policy along with other details like present value of the car. On a health policy, the insured's health details are specified. On a property or home policy, the construction type, year it was built, etc. would be specified. Most non-life policies mention the start date and time and end date and time of the policy. It means your coverage starts and ends on a specified date and time. Your insurance company will likely send reminders. However, it is important that you carefully make a note of these dates, so you can renew your policy on time. Your insurance policy document mentions the premium you're paying, whether lump sum or in installments. Normally, every non-life policy comes with a deductible amount. This is the amount which the insured has to pay before the insurance company pays for the claim. Also, there's always a limit to how much an insurance company can pay for every coverage. These are known as limits and deductibles, which are specified on every policy. Your claim will be honored only if the cause of loss is covered. So, for instance, if the insurance company discovers that the insured has purposefully damaged his vehicle, they will not pay for the loss. On a health policy, expenses for a surgery would be paid only if that condition was covered by the policy. A term life would pay the beneficiary only on the death of the insured, if the death occurred during the term covered in the policy. The policy document is therefore expected to state the conditions under which the benefit or claim would be paid. An insurance policy is a contract between you and the insurance company. Therefore, both parties are expected to comply with certain rules. As an insured, you are expected to divulge all facts that may affect your premium to the insurance company. You are also expected to report any loss covered by the policy to the insurance company promptly. If you have another policy covering the same loss, you are expected to make the insurance company aware of this. Premium has to pay within a certain time frame specified on the policy. In return, the insurance company is expected to honor all the claims for losses covered by the policy in the event of loss. In order to avoid any kind of ambiguity, the policy document specifies definitions of certain key terms. For example, the insurance policy document may clearly mention the definition of terms like injury, accident, deductible, etc., just so that there is no confusion in understanding. It is important for an insured to know what is not covered in a policy. A lot of times an insurance company may not cover certain causes of loss irrespective of who the insured is. This means they won't cover a particular loss for all the insureds covered under a specific product or products. For example, health policies may not cover existing health conditions for a certain number of years. Or, any property damage caused due to terrorism activity may not be covered. These are listed as exclusions in the policy document. Finally, and most importantly, your policy document mentions some important coordinates like your policy number, your insurance company contact details, your agent contact details. Keep these details handy should you have to report any loss. All the items that we just spoke about are part of 5 major sections in your policy. This could differ a bit with companies and products, but generally, these are categorized into Declarations section, Definitions section, Agreements section, Conditions section, Exclusions section, and there could be a Miscellaneous section. These together form the insurance policy document. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Also share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you.